Okay, boys and girls, the next activity that we're going to work on in our bundle is a word work activity, and we are going to be working with two pairs of letters that make the same vowel sound, and those are the OW makes the OW sound, and the OU also makes the OW sound. So you are going to be using the letters that you cut out that I sent home in your packet, and we are going to be building and making some words using either the OW, ow, or the OU, ow. So first of all, what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to start with the word plow. Okay, so find your letters. And you can kind of tell which are B's, which are D's, because I've put little lines under them to help you distinguish between the two of them. Okay, so we start out with the word plow. And I hope you spelled the word plow, P-L-O-W. Now, what two letters make the ow sound in plow? If you said O-W, you are correct. Okay, now what I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to change the PL. So I'm going to take away the PL, and I want you to change that to NH. Okay, H-O-W. What does that word spell? How? Exactly right. And what letters make the ow sound in the word how? O-W, correct again. Now I would like for you to take away the H in how, and I would like for you to put a B. Okay, so now we have a word that's spelled B-O-W. What does that word spell? What is our new word that we made? Did you say bow? If you said bow, you are correct. Now, some of you might know that word B-O-W as bow, like a girl could put a bow in her hair. But in that case, the O-W has the long O sound, and we're talking today about the O-W having the ow sound. So we're going to pronounce that word as bow. Okay, like after you do a play, you would bow to the audience. Okay, so, and we know again that the ow sound is made with what two letters? O-W, you're right. Okay, now we're going to take the B away. And this time, actually, I want you to put that B right back in there. My mistake. I want you to take the W away. Okay, and in place of the W, next to the O, I want you to put the vowel U. Okay, and then after the U, I want you to put an N. Okay, and then one more letter we're going to add to this word is a D. So now you have the word B-O-U-N-D. All right, now we have to remember that the O-U says ow. So if I'm going to sound this one out, I am going to say bound, bound. Okay, if I study on my spelling every night, I am bound to get an A on my test on Friday. Okay, so this time when I say bound, I hear the ow sound, but this time it is made with what two vowels? O-U, exactly. So now we see that O-W can say ow, and so can O-U. Okay, this time I want you to take away the B, and instead of a B, we're going to put an S. Okay, and our new word is, you guessed it, the new word is sound. And what letters make the ow sound in sound? O-U is correct. Okay, now we're going to take away the N and the D from the end of the word, and we're going to put a T, and then we're going to put an H. What is our new word? S-O-U-T-H. If you said south, you are right again. And I'm going to ask you the question again. What letters make the ow sound in south? O-U, you say? You're exactly right. Okay, now I want you to take the S away, and in place of the S, I want you to put an M. What is the new word? Mouth. That is correct. And the letters that say ow, you're right. O-U. Now, leave the M. This time we're going to take the T away, and then we're going to take the H away, and we're going to add an S, and then at the end we're going to put an E. So now we have the word that is spelled M-O-U-S-E. What is that word? What does that spell? Well, if you said mouse, you are correct. That word spells mouse. And what letters make the ow sound in mouse? Yes, you are right. The O and the U together make the ow sound in mouse. Okay, so that is our building words word work lesson for today. And remember that there are two different ways to make the ow sound. One is with the O and the U together, and the other one is with the O and the W.